Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Fahad Mirza, and in this video I am going to share with you a project which has spawned from a competition. This is about FinanceRAG. As I always mention in my videos, especially when I am discussing the retrieval augmented generation or using this AI or LLMs in production environment for real business use cases, I believe one of the technology which you really need to learn is RAG or retrieval augmented generation. I already have done more than 1000 videos on RAG, so if you're interested in learning RAG from various angles, please search the channel. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you what exactly this project is. I will also show you how you can get it installed if you want to. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, let's try to understand in very simple words what is RAG. So RAG or retrieval augmented generation is a system that combines information retrieval and natural language generation to produce accurate and informative responses to user queries. Or in other words, if you want to provide these LLMs context around your own data, you use the RAG or RAG pipeline. FinanceRAG is a finance specific RAG system that has been designed to analyze financial statements, disclosures, and related documents. This paper, which you can see on your screen, and I will also drop the link to it in video's description, details the development of a high performance finance RAG system for the ACM ICA IF 24 Finance RAG competition. They also have written a very short paper which looks quite good if you go through it. It's not that complicated and complex. It's a very small 5-minute read if you're interested. What is interesting about this paper is that it demonstrates the potential of LLMs in effectively processing and analyzing complex financial data to generate accurate and valuable insights. This paper also highlights the challenges of handling large scale corpora and the need for domain specific knowledge and numerical data analysis capabilities in finance specific RAG systems. The approach used in this paper involves three main stages, as you can see on your screen. There is pre-retrieval, retrieval, and then generation. In the pre-retrieval stage, the authors have employed query expansion techniques to enhance the queries and corpus optimization methods to efficiently handle the extensive corpus. They also conducted an ablation study to determine the most effective combination of query expansion techniques and corpus optimizations. In the retrieval stage, the author used re-ranker models to extract the top 10 most relevant corpora for each query corpus pair. They employed multiple re-ranker models to achieve optimal performance. Finally, in the generation step, the authors have used a new approach to manage long context sizes, which has really significantly improved the quality and accuracy of the responses. The dataset used in the study comprises of several finance-specific datasets, including FinDR, FinQA Bench, Finance Bench, TATQA, FinQA, and the list goes on and on. They have also achieved a final NDCG at 10 score of 0.63996 for the public leaderboard on task 1 and ultimately achieved second place in the finance track challenge, which is quite good, I believe. Also, this if in order to conclude it, this paper has really done well, I believe, because it has demonstrated the effectiveness of finance rack systems in analyzing complex financial data and generating accurate and valuable insights. This contribution, including pre-retrieval ablation studies, an enhanced retrieval algorithm, and a new approach to managing long context sizes, really provide valuable insights for future research in this area, I believe. Now, there is a good thing, there's a bad thing. The good thing is that they have shared this GitHub repo with all the code, and these are the instructions to get it installed. As you can see, it's not hard to install it. The problem is that it uses OpenAI's model. Now, I have checked out the code. I believe the bad thing is that, sorry, if you try to use it on big set of data, which is in their example in their code, and you use OpenAI, it could become quite costly and because it's a paid option, OpenAI. So I believe would really been good if they could have give some option to use it with local models, whether llama.cpp or VLLM or Olam or whatever, because these things could get pretty expensive. And normally, I believe that whenever organizations and companies are doing the production data, they really don't want to send it across to some LLM, uh, no matter what that is. So I think privacy, security, throttling, cost, these are the major concerns there which should be kept in mind while doing RAG. Anyway, so still a good effort, I would say. Do check it out. I will drop the link to this paper in video's description. If you are using RAG in any production environment, very keen to hear your thoughts and experience around it. So please do share it in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.